What's up, y'all? It's your boy, the Black World Traveler, man. I'm gonna make this really fast. So people ask me, how are you able to travel, and be able to still pay your bills and, be able to travel around the world once a year, or even sometime more than once a year? Well, I'll be real with you, man. I believe in doing what I love to do. I believe in the law of attraction, and I ain't gonna tell you, man, I just kind of like, say I'm gonna go somewhere and I go. I budget, of course, but also, man, I have one life to live, so I promised myself that every year I would travel somewhere, because to me, traveling is therapy, traveling is educational. You can learn a lot when you travel. So anybody can do this if you can figure out your expenses. Sometimes you have to budget. You might, cook noodles and eat beans and rice every night so you can be able to save your money to travel. Whatever you have to do to make it work, you can make it work. I mean, if your finances is just too low, I mean, you got to get a second job, or you got to get another business. Because I have my video business, I have my recording studio, as you see right here, and I'm a musician as well. So me being self-employed, I'm able to travel when I want, and also I'm a Lyft driver. So when there's nothing going on with my video company or my recording studio or me playing music, I drive Lyft, and I can make money every day on Lyft. I can work up to 12 hours a day if I want to, and I make pretty good money. So my thing is that I bought my vehicle so I can make money. Anything I buy is to make money. Like, I bought this equipment to make money. I don't buy anything unless I want to make money with it. So if I buy real estate, trust me, I'm making some money with it. I'm not gonna just be living there. I want to make money. The thing is, you can do this. If you figure out ways of saving, you can do this. I'm not doing anything more than anybody else. I just sacrifice. When I was younger, I made less money, but I didn't have a mindset of saving. I didn't have a mindset of, I traveled with less money, and I still traveled out of the country with a little bit, but I wasn't as disciplined as I am now. And I didn't have that much of an understanding as money as I do now. So if you have an understanding of money and you can, budget, like I have a video, if you go to my channel, I have a video in there about budgeting. I give you a lot of good information about that. It'll really help you a lot to learn how to travel. Just go on, you see my channel, The Black World Traveler. You go into my video section on YouTube and you'll see my video about budgeting, and guarantee you'll learn something from it, and guarantee you'll be able to travel like you want. The thing about traveling, you just gotta just be disciplined. Sometimes you realize you eating, you might be spending a lot of money on food every day. Not realize you're spending, too much money on food. If you're spending $10 or $15 a day on food, then you need to, cut that down. You should be spending no more than $5 a day. Because if you're spending 15, I'm just giving you a good scenario. Say you're spending 15 bucks a day, right, on food. Well, you take 15 and you multiply that by 30, that's $450 a month. So 450 times 12 is what, $4,800? If it's $450 a month, say you're making $450 a month, so you're looking around what, $455? It's around almost over $5,000 a year. So if you're spending that kind of money on food every day, cut your expenses down, because that money can go towards your travel, can go towards your room and board. You can make this work. You just got to take some things away. If you do your numbers, man. Whenever you get paid, whenever you know your bills are coming in, put all your bills down, see what your bills are. If your bills are outweighing what you're making, you got to cut things out. And that's just everyday life, even with traveling or not. You have to make sure that you don't live above your means, man. Live below your means, way below your means. And it's like, I'm cutting down eating out. So I start to cook at home and do things myself. Instead of going to get a smoothie at the shop, I can make my own smoothie and save another $3 or $4 extra a day. If you can do $5 a day on a budget, you can do fairly well. So check it out. You guys like the content? Just go to my channel. Well, you're on my channel. If you guys like the content, if you haven't subscribe already. Also like and share and leave comments, man. If you want, you have any questions and want to know something, or you want to give me some, some kind of advice, hit me up on the channel. It's your boy, the Black World Traveler. I'm out.